We brought you some video footage earlier this morning with the Sky Industries Turquoise CPX2 9mm. I also have a Hi-Point Smith & Wesson 40. Beautiful, beautiful gun. 9mm from, let's go 6. Make it an even 6. The 9mm is going to be that right target. My 40 is going to be the left target. And we're both going to take one shot for that center square. See who's accurate. Two in the same spot, two in the same spot. 9mm was a little more accurate, close range. Now we're going to scoot this back out. We're going to scoot it out to 7. And we're just going to fire one shot from each of our guns. Try to hit dead center of this square right here. Load up the 9mm first. .40 caliber. All right, here you go, sir. Right there. Where'd they hit?
I believe I missed it.
I did. I missed it too. All right, we're going to try this one more time. We're taking 2 shots.